What is up, everybody? Welcome to my YouTube channel and thanks for tuning in. So today we're going to be doing an oil life reset on a 2020 Jeep Renegade. So when you turn on the accessory, it'll give you the warning saying oil change due. So what you'll need to do is turn the ignition back off, and what you're going to have to do is hit the gas pedal 5 times within 10 seconds really quickly when you turn on the ignition. Now, even if you hit it a couple extra times, it's fine, but let me show you here. So turn it on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'll show you. You can hit it 10 times as long as you hit it 5 times, and then turn it back off and turn it on, and your oil change warning will be gone. All right, guys, that was an easy one. I hope this helped you out in some way. Please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Hope y'all have a good one. Peace.